Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. How are you? I hope you will be fine and good. Okay, are you ready for taking new lesson? But before starting the lesson, I want to see a smile on your faces like this. Please make happy faces. Good. Today we will learn a new letter which name is E. Which name is E. This is capital E and this is small e. Its phonic is A. Its phonic is A. Say after me. A. E. A. Okay. I have lots of friends of E. Do you want to see? Look at this. What is it? It is an egg. It is an egg. Egg begins with phonic A. Eggs begin with phonic A. Egg. Egg. Do you like egg? It is very good for health. Okay, look at this. This one. These are elephants. Which elephants? Elephant is a friendly animal. Elephant begins with phonic A. Elephant. Elephant. Okay. Look at this. What is it? It is an eye. Eye. This is also I. I begins with phonic A. I. I. Okay, I have another body part which name is ear. Touch your ear, please. Touch your ear. Okay, ear begins with phonic A. Ear. 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 What is it? It is an arm, and this part is called elbow. This part is called elbow. Please touch your elbow. This part, elbow. Elbow. I have a bird. It flies too much high. Its name is eagle. What's its name? Eagle. Eagle begins with phonic A. Eagle. Eagle. Okay. Look at this. This is engine. 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 Okay. Look at this. What is it? This is an earth. Earth. Where do we live? We live on the earth. We live on the earth. Earth begins with phonic A. Earth begins with phonic A. Earth. Earth. Have you seen all the friends? Okay. Please do clapping. Lots of clapping for yourself. Now, please find out some more examples of E. Okay? Now listen me carefully. Subscribe our channel. Click I button for notification of our upcoming videos. Please like and share videos. Put your comments in our comment section. Okay, we will see you again. Please subscribe our channel. Click bell icon for notification of our upcoming videos. Please like and share videos. Put your comments in our comment section.